Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the CGSULIT SC870 OBD2 scanner, a powerful diagnostic tool that goes beyond your typical code reader. What sets the SC870 apart is its ability to comprehensively diagnose electronic control modules across drive, body, chassis, and electrical system, not just limited to ABS, SRS, engine, and transmission issues like some other scanners in its price range. This scanner boasts an OE-level diagnostic capability, covering systems such as engine, ABS, SRS airbag, transmission, EPB, HVAC, TPMS, steering, headlamp, and more. You can read real-time data, pull fault codes, and pinpoint the root cause of problems, giving you a deeper insight into your vehicle's health. One standout feature is the EPB and oil light reset functions. The SC870 supports oil reset for 50 car brands and electronic parking brake, EPB, reset for 48 car brands, potentially saving you up to $500 in car repair costs while ensuring optimal driving safety. Auto VIN is a handy one-click feature, providing accurate vehicle information without manual input each time. The live data stream is displayed intuitively, with options for text, single graph, multigraph, and merged graphs. And yes, it supports recording, playback, and printing of diagnostic data. The SC870 covers full OBD modes, including reading clearing codes, live data, freeze frames, O2 sensor tests, and more. It's not just for checking engine issues, it helps you prepare for annual smog tests too. The built-in DDC lookup saves time and money by quickly providing the definition of fault codes. Worried about compatibility? The SC870 supports a wide range of vehicles, with 60+ brands, 10,000+ models, of US, Asian, and European vehicles, including cars, light trucks, minivans, and SUVs. Plus, with a lifetime free update, 2-year warranty, and 5-year technical support, you're ensured the latest bug fixes, expanded vehicle coverage, and feature upgrades. No registration or extra software fees are required. In conclusion, the CGSULIT SC870 OBD2 scanner offers advanced car diagnostics with full system coverage and valuable maintenance features, making it a solid investment for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.